Why don't you say something? Is the throne in danger? Please tell me. What did you see?
Nothing.
Nothing? You don't stand your old bones here and tell me you saw nothing. The king is dead. Tell me, is the throne in danger?
Only a fool enters the river with both feet.
Speak to me. You don't speak to me in parables nor idioms. The king is dead. The polity is upturned. I am desperate. Please tell me what you see.
A chattering bird builds no nest. Go home, my queen. We are done here.
Okay, what do you believe?
The truth is, I don't know what else to believe. But come to think about it, what does it stand to gain for killing my father?
What if he was contracted by one of your father's enemies?
My father does not have enemies. He was a wonderful man.
You cannot just sit here and conclude, sweetheart. Your father was a businessman before becoming the king. You never can tell whose ego was bruised in his journey to the top.
Not my father.
Oh. Okay. So tell me, what are you going to do?
I will just wait for the police to finish their investigations.
How can you be like that stupid? Oh, so police called you film, and the next thing you jump into the bus and you're home. Who is going to bail your husband?
Isabel. Isabel. So you want me to jump the bus and enter inside bush? What are you even talking about? Is it that you have not been listening to what I said inside? Mama, I said the police caught my husband, that his lover died in the hotel room. Now hotel room, and you want me to go and bail him? You should be thanking God for me now that he got what he deserved.
Did the police tell you that? Police, when they called you, did they tell you that?
Mama, kisi I don't have uburu okay now. Add him sharp. I would add him sharp. Immediately they called me on phone and said, are you the husband and wife to this person? Immediately, calculate my nose so plus wire. Man or Yemen. I know that was what happened now.
Sandra. I never raised you this way. Sandra, do you know that you are very stupid? Look at you. So because you are suspecting your husband of cheating, that's why you want to crucify him. In fact, you've crucified him.
You're insulting me. You're insulting me.
My friend, just go back and go and bail your husband. Or say insulting.
Ma?
Insult.
I should go and bail him. Mama, let me tell you something. Hi. Sandra does not like insult. Sandra came back to her father's house to enjoy, to be pampered. I don't like insult though. I came here to rest. I did not come here to all this to be hearing all this. If you want to go and bail somebody, go to the police station and bail him there.
Look at my I'm gonna give you a tough lie. Yeah, again, I joy hair car again with the rear. So what the
My fellow brothers, something terrible has happened to us. An Iroko has fallen. Our defender, and a good man, is gone. How would I have known that the last call he called me is going to be the last?
My father was full of life. How could someone snuff out his life? All I could imagine now, all I could think of is the excruciating pain my father must have passed through.
Prince Chidoka.
I'm innocent. They are trying to pin this man's death on me.
I already seen that. And how about your wife?
We've been trying to reach her. They have also been trying to reach her. She picked her call once and ended it, and ever since then she's not been taking her calls.
That is strange. But don't worry, my friend, I'll get a lawyer on this case, okay?
Oh, thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Meanwhile, I'll also love if you go to my house and at least help me check up on my wife to be sure she's fine.
Of course, I'll do that. That's not a problem. Just be strong, eh? Be strong, my friend. You'll be fine.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
You must take heart and be consoled with the fact that your father lived a successful life and raised a son like you that will take after him as our king. Yes, my friends. We have to be strong for the whole of us and your family. Rain does not fall on one roof alone. And we are saddened by his demise. So take heart. Be strong. We must start a plan for the last ofala and presentation of him.
Of course.
Onmovies.
Of course.
Because we're not going to leave our throne vacant.
It's not done. It's not done.
So, I'm not going to huh?
Yeah, okay.
Hi.
I have no hand in his death.
Trust me, I've been trying so hard. I've been trying so hard to do so. But I can't place my hand on it. I don't understand.
All you need to do, my princess, is to tell them your own side of the story.
What story?
They don't believe you called me the day I came to the palace, the day your father died. Tell them the truth. I'm begging you, please. You will tell them, right? Just tell them what happened that day. That is all they need to know, that I'm my princess. I'm my princess. Tell them. My princess, you know the truth. You and I know the truth here now. You tell them, right?
Don't tell me it's when you told me about the phone. Don't try to listen to him.
But I did call him.
Don't try to meddle in the investigation. What is your own self? Eh? But is it because he was shedding one crocodile tears? That is why you're on his side. See, your father is dead all because of him.
We might just be penalizing an innocent.
Princess Jane!
What? What is it? Excuse me.
Princess Jane.
Sandra! Sandra! Sandra!
Bros, where they find?
My brother. Please, where is Sandra?
Sandra.
Yes.
Any problem?
No, there's no problem. There's actually a problem. I'm here to tell her that my friend, her husband has been arrested.
A good man.
Yeah, my brother, please. It's a long story. Where is she? Do you know where she is?
Since 2 days now, this door is locked.
Really?
Yes.
Where might she be?
I don't know.
Sandra! Fuck, okay, my brother. Thanks, eh?
What? When did she say this?
A while ago. I want justice for your father. I want justice for the king. That guy needs to pay. And for your sister, I think she likes that guy. She's in love with that guy, I know.
She better not try to stand on my way at all. At all, if not. Because one thing I know for sure is that that boy must pay. He's a criminal and he must pay for his crimes.
I trust you. I support you with my full chest. I trust you, my prince.
Meanwhile, that's not a problem. I know what to do, so isn't it? Is there any other information?
No, my prince.
Okay. It's okay. We don't know what to do about that. Yes, sir.
So now your daughter is at home safely, isn't it?
Yes, but I do not like it. My daughter is selfish. Nanye, I do not know what has come over her. I will not abandon my husband even if he was caught stealing. Do you know why I am angry? My daughter did not bother to go to that police station and find out what the problem is.
That's all right, it's okay. In fact, I am happy you decided to come and tell me this event. I will take it up from here now. Eh? Thank you very much.
Biko, don't be angry.
No problem. No problem at all, my lord. It's okay. It's okay. No problem.
I will start going.
It's all right. It's all right. You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Be careful as well.
I will.
Stay well.
Papa, you always know how to get good palm wine.
No, my boy is still there.
So, meet Sandra. My fiancée, she's the love of my life. The one I want to get married to. I brought her to introduce to you.
Papa, good afternoon.
You're welcome, my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
It's okay. You're very much welcome.
Thank you, Papa.
Welcome.
What's up? You like it? Thank you. So, Papa, how have you been now? How is the village and your health? Papa, I don't understand what you're talking about. But all I know is that she's the one I love and the one I want to spend the rest of my life with. That's all that matters, and I love her.
My son, truth should be in love, and love in truth.
And what does that mean?
That girl is not meant for you, can't you see? In fact, she will ruin your life if you eventually get her.
Papa, how do you come to this conclusion? What do you even know about her? How can you just sit down here and castigate somebody you don't know anything about? Do you know how long we've been together? Do you know her character? I love her and I want to marry her. I think your loneliness in the village is getting out of hand. It's about time we got you another wife so that at least you get busy and not being a...
That's what you think?
Hey, see that? Babe. No. I hope you found the place.
Yes.
All right. Papa and I were just catching up on old times.
Oh, okay, without me.
Sorry, now that you're here.
Okay.
My son, I warned you. Now the Ongugu has unveiled itself. You can imagine. It's okay.
You don't have to condemn him. He might be innocent.
Young man that killed our father might be innocent. Excuse me. Wait a minute. Are you in line with women? Are you trying to elope with him?
Do not disrespect me. Else, I will ask the judge to transfer him to a more secured location.
You dare not defy me. You can't. You won't even try it. You will not try it. I dare you. Do not take my kindness and calmness as witness. Do not take it for witness at all. Don't try it. Do not even think about it.
For the avoidance of doubt, you spent almost all your life outside the shores of this country, for which I know the nooks and crannies. I will run you over if you do not respect boundaries.
I dare you. Dare me.
Mama, why now? Why now? Did I send you a message?
What is it?
Mama, why do you like showing yourself? Tell me, why do you like showing? Why did you go and report me to Sebastian's father? Why did you report me?
Sandra,
Mama,
what your mother, see sitting down. If you like, climb the tallest iroko tree. You will not see it. Sebastian is your husband. And if anything happens to him, you will be held responsible for it.
why now? No, for what? Why will I be held responsible? Am I the one that sent him to have a side chick? Or am I the one that sent him to kill the side chick? Which one did I send him to do? Mama, it's like you don't understand. Do you know, that woman used to call my husband at the middle of the night. Sebastian will sneak out to go and see her. I want me to go. Mama.
Nobody will ask you all these questions when the time comes. So you better start looking for this black goat when it's daytime. Start looking for it, because if night falls, Mama, there's no black goat. Where is she going? Hey, come back! Come out from that house! Hey, this house will not contain both of us. So better come back and go to your husband's house. Sandra! Hey! Make una dey hear am. Make una dey hear my voice. Sandra, only amamba muna go.
Where is the love you promised me? Take it easy on me.
What?
Nothing, just wild thoughts.
Do you mind sharing with me?
What if Sebastian is truly innocent? What if he's just a victim of circumstance? I don't know, it's been going through my head.
I do not agree with you. I had words with your brother, and all the evidence point at Sebastian. It's not left for the police to do their job and know the reason for his actions. The police needs to do their job.
Something is wrong. People are fake. Who will tell us the truth?
Oh, Mama, stop now, stop. Stop disturbing me. I told you that I'm not hungry. Stop disturbing me.
Yeah. Why did you not eat the food I kept in the house?
So after eating now, you start insulting me that I don't have job. Okay? You say, come on, Mama, I don't want to eat. Leave me alone now. Leave me. I want to think, Mama.
No. My son, see. You have to eat something. Yeah? You can always go back to the palace. Yes. So you're the one that ran away from the police. You try again. Yes. Okay? Now. Go eat, okay? Open it, my son. Now go and eat, okay? That you eat. I'm going to go belly one thing.
How do you do? What happened?
I don't know, Papa. They said I killed somebody, but I'm innocent. I did not do it.
That's, I know, sure.
You do?
You see, you don't worry. I am going to make sure you are released.
Thank you, Papa. I swear to God, I don't know anything about it. I did not kill anybody. You know I cannot do anything like that.
Believe you, my son, don't worry. We are going to be out. I'm working on that. Sorry.
Princess, I cannot believe you have to stand up to your brother because of this. This is just...
Hold it. Helen, it will be in our own interest to contain the boundaries of our relationship. You are my friend and not my father's daughter.
Both...
I know you've been talking to my brother. I don't have a problem with that. But I don't want you telling me how to contain or solve the problem of my family. Do you understand?
Okay.
Good.
What are you doing in this village? I don't understand that question. Is it that you did not understand what I said earlier or you did not hear me?
Sandra, you were not making any sense.
Yes. Abalekwalam, don't insult me. But let me make sense to you. I said that Sebastian killed his side chick in the hotel room and police people arrested him. He's in jail now.
Sandra, you know you're making this up, right? Yes. You're always accusing your husband of cheating. But on this particular one, Sandra, you lie. It's a lie.
Like I care. No, can't you move on like I care?
Sandra. Sandra! Eh? How many times did I call you? Very good. You need to go to that police station and bail your husband. After all, you're his helpmate.
No, Maja. Goes fine. God forbid. I can never be a helper to that papa.
Are you okay?
Yes.
I don't think so.
My husband is dope. Are you not seeing his guraka? Did you come all the way from city to come and insult me?
Sandra, this is too much. This is too much.
Ah, my baby is here.
Your baby.
Oh, baby. I'm fine. What happened? You came too late.
I'm sorry, but I've got a surprise for you.
Are you serious?
Sure.
Hey, Mama. Please don't lock door. Don't lock door.
You have changed. What has come over you? You are no longer the person I used to know.
Nick.
Tell me that was a dream.
What do you want me to say? Neka, can you feel chock and poo? Eh? Can you feel chock and poo? Ay! Sandra, onye megi for Mande Natalia Namma.
You say?
Mande Natalia Namma.
This is too much.
Hey!
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Neka.
Mama. It's okay.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings. Yes.
First of all, I will want to console you and your family for the death of your dear father. May you find the fortitude to bear the loss.
Thank you. Meanwhile, what's your objective? Is there any reason you're here? Is there something?
You see, I am here in respect of my son who is in the police custody. He was accused of killing your father. Though the police do not have any single evidence to prove that he was at the scene of the crime. So I've come to plead for his release.
You came to plead for his release. You know, you sounded like a learned man.
But in all, your speech depicts stupidity. I should release a man that killed the king of this kingdom. My father, I should release him. Go and release him. Chidoka, how dare you address me on my first name basis? Have you lost your senses? Do you know who you're standing with? Huh? You know what? I think you've exhausted your time here in the palace. Leave. I said leave! Release your son. Father of a criminal.
Something is wrong.
It's okay.
People are fake. Who will tell us the truth?
Son, what is the matter? You look troubled.
Nothing.
Nothing. How can you say nothing when worry is written all over your face? Meaning all is not well.
Mom, nothing. At least nothing to worry about.
Really? It's all right. So tell me, how did it go? When did the Council of Elders decide on your father's last ofala and burial? Since nothing is worrying you.
They said it will be held after the presentation at my presentation at the movie.
Life is in phases. I cannot believe your father is dead and gone.
Mom, please, not now. Please, not now. Mom, please, not now.
There was a crime committed, a crime committed.
But am I the one that you're bringing that 20,000 naira for? Hey, Jesus, get here. Are you giving me 20,000 naira?
I'm giving you 20,000, of course.
After the whole turning. But don't that fire you. Don't that fire you. If you know what is good, just do it. I don't want to argue with you. If you know what is good, just do it. I don't want to argue with you.
Don't even make more noise because you don't even know who I am. Like for real.
Who are you? Yo, who are you? Bobo, with all this bling that you're wearing that is not even original. It's not. Okay, give me.
Okay, what are you doing?
Okay, give me this money. Give me this.
I
Yeah, you have
poverty,
problem.
like poverty is really.
You, it's your father that is poor. It's your entire generation that is poor.
See,
you want to
family have more than 20,000.
No, you want. No, I can take you Bruce Lee. Come, let me give you Bruce Lee.
Please.
Okay, come here, my friend.
Okay, leave me. I gave you 20,000. You're not happy. Poor woman like you. See, your full generation does not.
Don't that fire you. Don't that fire you. Don't that fire you.
You have changed. What has come over you? You are no longer the person I used to know. Ini Edo.
Who knows where she's coming from? Hey! Whoever did this to my daughter, it shall never be well with you. Hey!
How can I be made to pay for another person's sins?
The truth will always prevail. You see, no matter what happens, the truth always wins.
Not in this circumstance. I don't know what's going on. Look at me. Since I was arrested, my wife has not even come to visit me. Papa, have you seen or heard from her?
My son, are you sure you want to hear the truth?
No, I don't think I can handle whatever it is you want to tell me now. I should have listened to you from the onset.
Anyway, I have arranged with a woman outside the station to always bring the food.
You have to bother, Papa. I have lost my appetite.
No, son. You do not need to starve yourself to death. There is need for you to stay alive. Toby, witness this whole matter. Please. My prince, in line with our tradition, your tradition fast begins this evening. During the period of this fast, you will not eat from any woman's pot. For the 3 days, you will not take your bath. Finally, you will wash your face and your feet with a coconut water. And Enoch has been engaged to see to your food. My prince, do you have any question?
No, I'm okay.
You're okay?
Yeah.
I wish you good luck as you commune with our ancestors.
Thank you.
Sandra, my daughter. What has come over you? Sandra, I raised you very well. I don't know where this your new behavior, where you got them from.
Mama, no, tell me, what's the color of your problem? Why are you drinking Panadol for another person's headache? Ogini, now, what is it now?
Sandra, Sebastian, your husband. How can you allow your husband to be rotting in the prison and you are here in the village gallivanting and enjoying yourself? How?
Let me reserve my comment.
Mbao, say that your comment. Say it. Please. Let us hear that your comment.
You know the truth is bitter.
Say it.
I will say it, oh.
Sandra, say it.
Okay, Mama, first of all, when this guy came to marry me, you know I did not like him. You are the one that forced me to marry him. Are you not the one that forced me to marry him?
Chimo, I never forced you. Hey, I only told you that he is a promising young man with a very bright future. And that was what I saw in him.
Hey, Jesus, Mama. You see where the bright future has landed him? Inside Kiri prison. And his future is brightening inside the future now. By now, those people now, they've arranged his system, his skin, his body. But now, if we don't do one side.
Hey, Sandra.
Mama.
God. Sandra. Sandra. Sandra.
Mama.
I called you how many times? How many times did I call you? Ubolito? 3 times. Sandra. Okay.
Try help yourself. Makopuku, Kamaduja, try Fedanana million. Tomorrow go better. Hustle no deki. Hustle no deki. Don't lose hope in life. Your future is bright. You don't know what God has prepared for you. Don't lose hope. Tomorrow go better. Hustle no deki. Hustle no deki.
Douglas, honestly, I cannot thank you enough for your efforts at seeing that I get out of that place.
Don't mention it, my brother.
Thank
Don't
you.
mention it at
Thank
all.
you.
What are friends for?
Thank you.
Meanwhile, your father here, he has done a lot to get you out of that dungeon.
Thank you, Papa.
What you need to do is to keep out of trouble.
I definitely will.
Understand?
I definitely will.
Thank you, Papa.
Well, my son, thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
I appreciate it.
So why don't we go inside so you can have some drink at least?
No. I have to run. I've got somewhere to be, eh? So, I'll come around next time.
All right,
Okay.
I'll give you a call then.
Careful, eh? Thank you, sir.
Papa, thank you. I cannot thank you enough. You always have my back.
Well, why am I having you as my son?
Let's go inside.
Badata, badata, badata. Deje, deje, none. None, 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 none. Hey, none, Ebube, none, none. My son, Ogelue Yamambena Kebuki. Today, you will join the lineage of kings of Osala. And this is the authority of Osala, the Ofo. It is what you will use as an authority over Osala and her people. So go ahead and begin. I say go ahead and begin. Begin. I do not understand. I did what you asked me to do. Hope you did not break the fast. I did not. I did exactly what he asked me to do. You observed it? I observed it! Yeah. What is it?
That's because he's not the true heir to the throne of Ozara.
Who are you?
Sebastian, pick the offer.
No, that's not possible.
Shut up. I say pick the offer. Take it.
Hey. And where have you been all this while?
That is an explanation that is needed by everyone.
My prince, you look so worried. Can you tell me what troubles you, my prince?
No one can fully tell what goes on in a man's heart, my friend. My father planned to name my brother his heir.
No. No, my prince. You are the eldest of your father and the true heir to the throne.
He doesn't share his idea with anybody. He considers Uduka more favorable. According to him, he is more successful and calmer than myself. Now tell me, my good friend, am I useless?
No, my prince. Believe you me, if that you have same opportunity as Udoka, things would have been more different and even more better. You are not useless.
Thank you for your honesty.
What can I do?
I want you to make my problem disappear.
Okay, my prince. I will do just as you said. I will do exactly as you said, my prince.
Ha, Wandem. Where have you been? I have searched all over for you.
What do you care?
Ha. We are brothers. Oh wait. Is it about father's announcement? You should come off it. You know it doesn't mean what he said. You are the heir.
And how do you know that? Listen, I am not bothered about father naming you his heir. After all, you're his favorite. Excuse me.
Please don't kill me, please, I'm begging you. Please don't kill me, I may not see mother, please. Please don't kill me, please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you, please don't kill me.
Brother, I think we should live above father's announcement and keep living as brothers, like we used to. There's no peace in this house. You are my elder brother. You shouldn't be fighting.
Thank you.
Never! This is preposterous. You guys have connived with this man to take my throne. You guys have connived with this man to take my throne from me. If you guys think in any manner that this is going to be a reality, then you guys have had a brain laceration. I swear to God, if you guys do not leave my palace now, I mean everybody, including the chief priest and you, these men, red caps, I don't know, everybody out of my palace. I mean everybody, and you. You're out of my palace. I say everybody out of my palace. Chief priest, I don't know what to lose my mind now. Everybody out of my palace right now.
Damn it. Murderer! Murderer! That's who you are. How could you be this heartless? How were you able to live with yourself? To think I never knew I've been living with a killer all these years?
I was earning a living.
You murdered my parents.
So, you see, I let you live. You think it's easy for me watching you grow? I was battling within myself on how to tell you the truth.
But you did not. You kept it to yourself. How could you? You killed innocent people. How could you? How could you kill people that did nothing to you? My poor grandfather and my parents, I know how much they must have pleaded with you.
So, what happened in the past, I know. And we cannot bring back what happened there. But as soon as I held you in my arms, something changed in my life. You brought peace and sense of direction to my life. Please, son, try to help me.
Don't you touch me with those bloody hands. You have no right to anybody's life.
Son, please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Because you bared your fall in your hands.
I'm sure this was exactly the same way they pleaded with you. I cursed the day you were born.
So, please, remember you called me father.
That's a name meant for men with integrity. As for you, you're a wolf in sheep's clothing.
Living with a murderer, what it will. Living with an enemy, and this world is terrible.
A missing prince. I can't believe this. How is this even possible?
Well, this is how we saw it.
Could it be that? No. No. There must have been a mix-up somewhere. Or wait though. Or maybe he got closer to bribe the kingmakers.
Bribe who? That's not even possible.
Not in this our country, oh. Not in this our country. Anything can be possible. Eh? Wait, so what are you going to do now? Are you going to allow the diners to leave your family just like that? You had better do something. Do something and do it fast. Fast, oh. Better do something. As fast as you can. As fast. Fast.
Hello?
I don't know what is going on in this country. Problem everywhere.
elders of our land. The gods have spoken. It is left for us now to do the needful. And I don't put you crowning me as the next.
Gebo si kutapa.
Who will tell us the truth? Onyeke mosi esiokwa. I'm a king. Am I a king?
The news is all over the place. Eh? It happens that the Sebastian, my in-law, was born into royalty. In fact, the throne belongs to him.
Hi! Baba, you have not given me news, but this one, premium news. Hey, Baba! Look at me. Your daughter, Sandra, the next queen of Okofia Kingdom. Okolo Kalisia. Mumi nigodinum. Nigodinum. Hey!
Menebe. Ọkwara gị ọkwara gị gwogwo ọkwasasịrị gị ọkwala gị lekwe ntọọ gị agwara m gị agwa.
Mama, start addressing me as queen, because that time I'm not allowed to
because
say the
zipụrụ m n'ụzọ. Queen.
Queen Sandra, all hail her majesty. Hey, Mama, I don't even know that I have my husband in my path. Let me call you. Hello, darling. Hello, my darling husband. Maybe it's network. Come back. Let me start doing my practice.
You get me glass of wine, champagne preferably. Yes. Okay.
It's sweet, go sweet though.
Your Highness, are you talking to me?
Mama, you have to start addressing me as Queen Sandra now, because that time I wasn't even allowed inside the palace. You know, you don't even smell the gate. Start addressing me as queen and start giving me all those queen treatment though. Oh, I need to call him Neka. Neka, hear this one.
Take a wild guess.
She must have heard the news, eh? You know, women like Sandra, it's the only language they understand is money and comfort, eh?
She's the least of my problems.
Anyways, so how are you cooking?
Honestly, I feel betrayed. To think I've been living in the same house with my parents' murderers.
Friends, you know right now what you need to do is try to take everything that belongs to your father as the head. You understand? A lot of people depend on that.
That's what I'm doing. Let's run along.
Princess, are you saying that your father wasn't supposed to be the king?
That is what they said. But my brother thinks it's a lie and all cooked up stories. He's been breathing fire and brimstone. I'm scared. I don't know what his actions will be.
And what about you? What do you think?
I don't know what to think. I am confused.
Young man, I don't remember at all at any point inviting you to this palace.
I need no invitation to come to my palace, as it rightfully belongs to my father.
You must be very delusional. Seriously, you need a neurological and mental health assessment. I swear to God. Look at you.
Prince Chidoka.
Yes.
He is not alone. And he can never be alone. I stand with him.
You stand with him?
Yes.
Then get ready to be crushed. You guys will feel my wrath. Let me tell you something. These guys are going to deceive you and they are going to lead you to a serious regret. Better go back to whatever you've been doing before. If you think this throne, you can take it from me, then you are really dreaming.
The last time I checked, you left your husband to rot in the prison. Why are you calling him?
No, you should just put his phone.
Sunday, what is it? Are you okay?
Mama, this headache, I'm feeling constant headache. My body is paining me.
Is you? Sandra, tell me, who is responsible for your pregnancy?
Mama, so that Netiti cannot be pregnant too. Me, I'm not pregnant. Now. Does one get pregnant by drinking a cup of water?
Sandra, do you think I am a child? Eh? Who is responsible?
Mama, I'm pregnant now.
You're not pregnant. You're not pregnant. Okay, we shall find out. Akwidirime.
Pregnant.
These fools dares to conspire to steal my crown.
How can it be? It is not possible. Who is that man? I don't even know who that man is. But how did they lie against your father and you know? Why?
I bet you that criminal bribed his way through and manipulated the system with that old fool.
Mother, this is daylight robbery. There is no way we're going to allow some enemy come and steal our dynasty.
No. I'm happy you're thinking in this direction. For once.
Mom, you people are just disturbing yourself. That is going to be in their dream. They think they know how to play the game. I will show them that I, Prince Chidoka, am the game master. I will tell them that I, the prince who has been overseas, I will show them what I'm made of. That I've played that game that they think they can play. I have played that game, Mama.
Helen, what are you even saying?
You know exactly what I am saying. You know exactly what I am saying. How can some persons come out of the blues to lay claims on what is not theirs?
Madam, please rest.
I know they rest. I am not going to rest. Okay. It's our friend we are talking about here.
Fine. You know what? Go and fight the kingmakers. At least that will give you a form of satisfaction. There was a witness and it has already been decided.
Decided by who? Auntie Joanne. Decided by whom?
Sebastian is going to be the king, and there is nothing you or anyone will do about it.
Never. Okay. Never. Sebastian will never be the king.
Okay. King's wife.
Now bad belle will kill you.
Please give me peace. Yeah,
Omalechan. Apugo. My beautiful wife. Unyemo.
Hold your greetings. Hold your greetings, Sebastian. Where are you coming back from? And why didn't you pick my calls? Or do you want to tell me you did not see my calls? You try to the phone on my calls. Who the hell do you think you are to snub my calls?
Is that how you greet your husband who has had a long day at work?
Hey, Uchi, no now. I will bring you milk. See, maybe I'll add sardine inside it now. Eh? Why are you so irresponsible, Sebastian? Why? Always trying to intelligently change the topic. Why?
I don't have the time now, so just get out.
Where are you coming back from? No, you think you can win who you were from this one or here? Now this time around, where are you coming back from? Answer me now.
Why is it that every time I come back from a long day at work, you top it up with your nagging? Why?
Saba, I not nag. Oh, no now, increase your volume now. Why did you bring it down? So your wife is not a nagging wife, okay? You've not answered me. If you want peace, tell me where you're going.
I don't know, Zakamba.
You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. Answer me, you enter. KBC, where are you coming back from? That means that, oh, how about in jail now? No, I on generator. Where are you coming back from? Sanu now, answer me. Where are you coming back from? Am I not a woman being standing here? Or you think you don't have any right to tell me where you're coming back from? Eh? I'm Ekwensu. So you want the neighbors to hear my voice now and they'll come and start saying this woman is only shouting. It's you that is causing this now. Oh. They should come and hear me. Oh. Tell me where you're coming back from and you enter inside. Close your mouth. I'm not Ekwensu. Tell me where you're coming back from.
I want to know the truth. I'm a king. I want to know the truth.
No.
You're
welcome. Yeah, you're welcome.
Hi.
Honestly, today is a wonderful day in Ozara Kingdom. Ozara Kwenu.
Yeah.
Kwenu.
Yeah.
Rienu.
Yeah.
Nwono.
Yeah.
The gods are wise. They have decreed that today Ozara Kingdom will have a true king.
Oh God.
So I'm
That will
here.
never happen. That will never happen.
Shut up! Here to fulfill that task that my dad couldn't fulfill. Yes. You want to be the king. Good. And you... Hey, shut up!
What have you done?